went back.
Okay.
Go after.
They have the
Go
bubble.
after.
Tai jums reikėjo biškį toliau
I
davėti.
put bleed stacks on him. He's slowed though. If you guys can chase mounted, you can.
Čia back one, another
He
play.
wants to get dismounted.
They are fighting. Come here, everyone. And more is coming. It's a bait.
Yeah,
Okay,
keep it.
okay.
Yeah.
5
Everyone,
seconds.
everyone,
5
come in.
seconds.
Come in. Come in.
Pull
We
back,
need to
pull back, pull back.
Yeah.
Okay,
pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back.
okay. Do you have healer as well? Pop food, pop food, pop food,
Overcharge.
pop food.
OC.
Going on the healer.
Yeah, let's see.
Going on healer.
I'm stacking.
I'm going back for heal.
Okay,
Look front, go. Pierce and finish.
okay.
Yeah.
Good job.
Nice.
Karma, run out, run out, run out.
Stabilize, 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 stabilize,
stabilize.
stabilize. Don't clump,
Okay.
Aso. Aso in the back.
Okay,
I have healing jacket. I'm going deep.
there's more of them.
Yeah, healer.
Go, 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 go. Alright, push them back. Okay, kill healer, kill healer. Fuck. Okay,
Healer dead.
okay. Catch. Мастера что полег.
Gerai.
Nice bait.
They had healer, which was
I need
DPS.
someone mounted. I need someone mounted.
Mounting and coming.
I'm mounting, mount.
Did you guys loot?
Loot.
I looted the
Okay.
healer. 3.1.
Karma, stay behind and loot everything.
Yeah, I'm going back to loot.
Bля. Fuck. He mounted. Free HP. Free.
Nusimauntinau?
But he's gonna be outlaw.
Okay,
He's gonna
I
be
can't
outlaw.
hold
He's
any more
nor-
items. So